Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to solve another challenge called super serial. So in the hints we can see that the flag might be inside the dot or slash flag location. So let's visit the website and do our traditional secure injection and see what actually happens. We can't log into the website, but we redirect to another page. So let's visit the source code and see if there is anything interesting here. So from the I'm going to use Firefox. Let's visit the source code. So from the source code, we can see that the index.php file requires cookie.php file uh, to load first. So let's visit cookie.php file, and there is another file called authentication.php. So let's visit the source code of both of the page. Let me just duplicate the tabs and then cookie.php and authentication.php. So from cookie.php, we can say that uh, there is a condition if set cookie is login, then we are trying we are trying to log in as guest or admin, and there is a variable called parm. We are just storing the cookie login and then decoding it and then unserializing it, or else we are catching the error. But here the interesting thing is we are actually printing out the parm variable. So let's visit the authentication page and see if there is anything interesting related to this. So we can see that there is a function called log file, and in the there is a object called log file. So here there is a function called string to string. So it calls a function and read the log in read log, and gets here and gets the uh, get file file put content called uh, called so here is another, it calls the file put content, and inside it actually um, mm, print it actually using the log file object. And so we can actually use this object to print out the flag in the parm. In the cookie we can say that there is a variable called parm, so we can actually uh, decode the from the object. We can actually uh, send it to the error and print out the parm. So we need to actually decode first. So in the barb suite we are going to decode the file cookie. So first we have to then we have to uh, we have to put the function that the object using called access log. We have to use the uh, length of that function, so that was access log, which the length of the access log is 10, and then the name of the function is access log. And then we have only one object, file log file, which the length of the log file is 8, then which is in the string format. So string 8 and then the name of the object, which is log file. Then the file is located might be located in the dot dot slash flag location as given in the hint. So that was a string, length 7, and the name of the file is dot dot slash flag. And then code, I missed another code here, flag, and then so let's encode it into base 64. Yeah, so I'm going to copy that thing, and as we are logging through the authentication.php, so I'm going to go to the authentication page, and from the inspect div tool we are going to use the cookie editor and going to add a cookie called login, and our decoded encoded code. So let's save that, and we reload. Mm, there is a problem. Let me check the code once again. 10 access log. Okay, so I missed two. There's only one object. Then the object. Okay, let's encode it one more time. One second. And copy, and then let's save the cookie and refresh. Mm, let me try it out once again. I'm going to add a cookie and the value, then save it, and I'm going to refresh. Okay, so we got the flag. So let me just copy that flag and paste it here. Okay, so we solved this problem. Thank you.